The wrong suitcase. Anna is 24 years old. She works in a small office and lives in a busy city. Every summer, she travels to visit her cousin in another town. This year, she decides to take the bus because it is cheap and easy. She is very excited because she has 1 week of vacation. Anna packs her suitcase carefully. She puts in her favorite clothes, a book she wants to read, and a box of chocolates for her cousin. She also adds a small gift, a blue scarf for Lisa. Her suitcase is red and has a small sticker of a cat on it. Anna thinks this is easy to recognize. Nobody will take my bag. At the bus station, many people wait with big bags and different suitcases. The place is noisy and full of people. Anna puts her red suitcase in the storage area of the bus and finds her seat. She feels happy and relaxed. On the bus, she listens to music, looks out the window, and watches the countryside. She sees green fields, small houses, and cows. She thinks this is a nice trip. After 3 hours, the bus arrives in her cousin's town. Anna goes to the storage area and takes a red suitcase. It looks exactly like hers. She does not notice that this suitcase has a sticker of a dog, not a cat. Anna walks to her cousin's house. Lisa welcomes her with a big hug. They laugh, talk, and drink tea together. Then Anna opens her suitcase. To her shock, inside there are no clothes, no book, and no chocolates. Instead, she sees a big frying pan, 3 pairs of socks, and 1 large watermelon. Lisa starts laughing loudly. Anna, is this your new style? A cooking pan, socks, and fruit, she jokes. Anna's face turns red. This is not my suitcase, she cries. Oh no, my clothes, my book, and my chocolates are gone. Lisa cannot stop laughing. She picks up the frying pan and puts it on her head like a funny hat. Maybe you can wear this on your head, she says. Anna also starts laughing. The situation is very silly and strange. Suddenly, the phone rings. Lisa answers. It is the bus station. They say another passenger took Anna's suitcase by mistake. The man is very confused because he found clothes and chocolates in his bag instead of his frying pan and watermelon. Anna feels relieved, so my suitcase is safe, she says. The man agrees to meet Anna at the bus station to exchange bags. Anna and Lisa hurry back to the station. When they arrive, they see a tall man holding Anna's red suitcase. He looks a little embarrassed. I am sorry, he says. I thought this suitcase was mine. They look the same. He gives Anna her suitcase and takes back his frying pan, socks, and watermelon. Anna thanks him, and everyone laughs. On the way home, Lisa teases Anna. Next time, maybe put a sticker of a giraffe, a banana, or something very big. Then no one will take it. Anna laughs. Yes, or maybe I will carry my suitcase on my head like the frying pan. The week continues with more laughter. Anna and Lisa open the chocolates and eat them slowly. They read Anna's book together and go for long walks in the sun. They sit in cafes, talk about old memories, and enjoy the summer days. One afternoon, they go to the market. When they see a frying pan in a shop, they stop and laugh again. Another day, they see watermelons in the street market, and they remember the funny mistake. Every time they see these things, they laugh so much that people look at them with surprise. Anna says, "This vacation is special. I will never forget the wrong suitcase. 'Tis a funny story to tell my friends at home." Lisa smiles. Yes. Sometimes mistakes bring the best memories. And for the rest of the week, the cousins enjoy every moment talking, laughing, and remembering the day of the wrong suitcase.